Hello everybody and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash, welcome back to my channel and I do hope you're all having an amazing new week. Currently it is Monday 15th of December and let's get right to the charts. As you can see, Bitcoin is right now breaking down through this bear flag. As you can see, it is breaking to the downside, and if we measure it from the monthly pivot that we had right now, Bitcoin is down around 7.6%, as you can see, and right now we are hitting this very important macro value area low right here. As you can see, this is all of this whole yearly range, basically from it is dating back. I have put this volume profile back from 5th of November, and basically until now you can see this is more than a year long range. You can consider it like this. And right now we are sitting at the bottom of this range right here, still above the value area low. As you can see, we did have some time that we were trading below it, but then once it was reclaimed, the price continued to push higher. But as you can see right now, the price of Bitcoin is just about to test this level, and it is very possible that we fall straight through it to sweep these lows that I was talking about. Basically, in my previous video, this low and this low, in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to sweep them, and this will just take around 7% more for this to play out. As you can see, Ethereum also did take quite a heavy correction. You can see we did have some more correction right here, basically here the first, the second, and right now the third bearish candle that we have right here. And other than that, it has just been a choppy consolidation and a dump, choppy consolidation and a dump, consolidation and dump, as you can see. Also, we did retest the weekly pivot for Ethereum, but we did not manage to break above it. Also, the EMAs, they were acting as tough resistance right here. Combined with the weekly pivot, price just did not manage to break above it. The same goes for Bitcoin. As you can see, we did open up below the weekly pivot. We almost did get a test, or I do think we did not get, we almost did get a test, but as you can see, price failed to even test, to at least take the weekly pivot, and right now we are trading below it and trading below, as you can see, breaking down from the range. The weekly support tree would be around this box, and as you can see, this would be, in my opinion, my target for the week. And if we even, as I said, if we do something like this, take right here, bounce a little bit, it is still possible that we go down once again to sweep this particular bottom, basically the low 80Ks. We might even drop down in the $70,000 region, but I don't think that price is going to hold very long. If we drop down basically below 80K, below 89, below 79, excuse me, I would be expecting for price to basically, if we measure from this break 23%, and from this breakdown 23% would be around $72,000, basically just below 74K, to sweep out these lows from back in April. This is, in my opinion, how Bitcoin will play out. If we mark out this right here, you can see the lows are sitting exactly where our monthly second resistance is sitting. So very, very possible for price to grab those levels. As I said, bullish scenario, we break down, we find support right here at these lows, and then we bounce back. Another bullish scenario, we lose this level, we come down to these lows, we sweep them, and then we bounce back. And the most bearish scenario would be breakdown, we don't hold here, we don't hold these lows, and we go straight down towards the lows from back in April, and then we consolidate around those lows. So I do think these are some of my scenarios. Of course, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before investing or trading money in these markets. It is a very risky, as you know. 95% of traders do lose money in this market. So be very careful, guys. The Nasdaq, basically the stock market, as you can see, the S&P 500 also is taking somewhat of a correction today, and gold is basically almost back at the all-time high. So the risk assets are dumping, and the safe haven assets, basically like gold and silver, are pushing towards the upside, which means there is fear in the markets, as you know. Let's look at the open interest for Bitcoin. So if we look at the price action from yesterday, from Sunday, we did drop below the daily VWAP, as you can see right here, but then we did reclaim. And something very interesting is that during this rise right here, open interest actually started falling while price was rising, and this is normally considered a bearish sign. And as you can see, we did drop before the New York market opened, and then once the New York market opened, price just fell down with around 3%, 3.2%, as you can see. And we do have open interest going absolutely parabolic, and CVD going down while price is going down. This means that there are a lot of short positions opening right here, right now, at this time. So it is very possible that we go down a bit more, basically, and then we are going to be seeing somewhat of a bigger short squeeze happening. Of course, this is just my opinion, but this is what these charts are telling me. And also, if we look at the liquidation heat map, we did sweep that liquidity yesterday right here, most of the liquidity at 89k, and right now price is going down to grab basically to potentially the liquidity all the way towards 83 or 80k. As you can see, we still have a lot of liquidity sitting to the downside, and it seems the market makers are aiming to take out this liquidity first before attacking the late short positions that are opening up right now. Fear and greed index is right now at 24. If price drops below 80k, believe me, we are going to get very, very fast back into that extreme fear zone. ETFs, I think today's Monday, so we still don't have any data for this week. Long versus shorts ratio, as you can see, we do have, of course, more sellers in the market. As I just have told you, a lot of short positions have opened up right now, but I do expect them to get squeezed, as I said, sooner or later. Funding rates still remaining positive on most of the major exchanges, as you can see. And we do not have important news today, but we do have important news tomorrow and also on Thursday. So as I said, be very careful trading these markets. Always use proper risk management. And I think this covers it for today's update video, guys. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.